10 Incredible Health Benefits of Garlic. Garlic is used in many foods as a seasoning, but it is also good for your overall health. Allicin, which is the main ingredient, is very beneficial for your body's health. Garlic is rich in vitamins and nutrients including vitamins B1, C, vitamin B6, and vitamin B6, manganese, calcium, and copper, as well as selenium. Consuming a small amount of garlic each day can make a big difference in your health. Here are the top 10 health benefits that garlic can bring to your life. Improves heart health. Garlic is good for your heart. It increases blood flow, lowers cholesterol, prevents heart disease, and helps to stop it from happening. It reduces atherosclerosis, which is hardening in the arteries and can cause heart attacks or strokes. Take 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves every day to improve your heart health and prevent heart disease. Controls hypertension. Garlic can lower blood pressure, particularly systolic. Garlic works by acting as a vasodilator. This helps to increase blood flow and widen blood vessels. High blood pressure patients should eat raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach every day. Drink a cup of milk if you dislike the flavor of garlic. Garlic supplements are also available. Reduces arthritis pain. Garlic helps with pain and other symptoms associated with rheumatoid. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory qualities help to lower arthritis-related swelling. Diallyl disulfide also helps to reduce the effects of enzymes on cartilage. Garlic is an excellent ingredient to help relieve arthritis-related swelling and pain. It is best not to eat garlic with food. Boosts immunity. Garlic is high in vitamins C, B6, and the minerals manganese, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients improve the immunity system's performance. They aid the body to absorb minerals. Garlic also contains antimicrobial and antioxidant qualities. These properties protect the body against germs and help fight infections. Treats cough and cold. Garlic kills virus and bad bacteria, making it a great treatment for colds and flu. It can also protect against upper respiratory infections. Fights fungal infection. Garlic can also be used to fight fungi such as athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It helps to fight candida. Combats allergies. Garlic has the ability to reduce inflammation and kill viruses, so it can be helpful in fighting allergies. It can also help reduce swelling from allergic rhinitis. Cures toothache. Garlic is also good for toothaches because it kills germs and relieves pain. You can make your tooth feel more comfortable by placing a clove of crushed garlic or oil around the gum. However, garlic can cause gum irritation, so make sure you are careful. Aids digestion. Garlic improves digestion by keeping the stomach in good condition. It helps to make gastric juices which aid digestion. Inhibits cancer. Garlic can prevent the body from getting any type of cancer, particularly in the digestive and lung systems. Garlic can reduce the size of some tumors and prevent them from growing. It contains allosulfur, which can slow the growth of cancerous cell. Garlic is good for those who have had cancer in the family. It helps to keep the risk of other forms of cancer at bay. Garlic supplements can't be used to protect against cancer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.